What is good, y'all? You already know it's your boy June, and we about to check out Switch to Me, Rain, and JYP. I have been dying to hear this. I've already heard some of the song a little bit. I haven't heard the entire thing. I've seen screenshots of freaking Rain, and if y'all seen my Saxity video and my freaking what was the other song? Rain did a song with Z.I.K.O. If y'all seen my reaction in those videos, y'all would realize that Rain gets the best of me, bro. For a man his age, he is in good shape. Alright. So Rain is like to me, Rain is the type of man, if I was to say, yo, if we go hiking or something, what's it called? Sand check? Sand check, come here? Like if we go hiking or something and I'm like, I'm tired, I say I'm tired, I don't think I can say I'm tired around him. Because this dude's like, how old is he again? Like 40? Is he 40 or something? 38. He's 38. Oh, you're a June baby. Hey, what's up? Okay, so he's 38. The body like that. God damn. Anyways, let's go. We eating at a fine establishment.
요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되십니다.
Whiskey in the cup.
다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데. 영성이 자자해.
그래도 형 따라가려면 멀었죠.
금방 따라잡겠던데. 넌 수단과 방법을 안 가리니까.
그거 다 형한테 배우는데요. 뭐.
Oh, is this is this about to be like some Freaky Friday type thing? Oh, we got Samsung sponsorships, huh? Hello. Is this gonna be like Freaky Friday? Y'all gonna switch bodies or something? Oh, yeah. This makes me so self-conscious about myself. Well, I'm in my early 20s, but I feel I ain't got energy like this. I ain't got energy like this. This guy came on a white horse! A white stallion! Rain. This guy's washboard abs. This is the one thing I saw. That's the only thing I know. Yo, JYP's like how old, bro? Yo, JYP needs to make another Hold the hell, hold up, this guy coming up the shit like a sexy freaking Kraken. What? No, I'm so sorry. Yo, Rain kills me, bro. Hold on. This guy came out like some freaking sexy ass crocodile, bro. Nah, hold on. What the? She pretty, she gorgeous. Okay. Okay. That's an easy dance still. That's an easy dance. Ooh, I can't do that either. Man, you old timers making me feel self-conscious. Ain't you pretty? You got the Jeep, and you got. Where's she looking? That Nado as in switch to me as Nado my way, switch my way, come my way, my lane. Oh, at the right time I thought it was Nadang Pakoja as in okay. Anyways, oh, that was when did this release? 2020. I'm sorry, but that was the biggest plot twist I seen in the last shit before the new year. I don't know, that I did not expect to see Psy make a cameo. Out of all things, he got the girl too. Damn, y'all went through such lengths. The man came in a helicopter. Rain submerged from the water. Emerged? I don't even know the right word. The man just came up like a sexy crocodile, bro. Like I've only seen, like you know when like a crocodile's on the hunt, bro, and they like slowly raise their head. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking, like they do that kind of shit, bro. Oh my god, that was funny. That was funny. I like that. I liked all of that. Honestly, the dance is easy. The dance looks easy. I don't know. It's been a while since I danced too. Ayo, should we do another dance challenge? Cause I've never done sexy stuff like that either too. So, not even sure where I'm gonna do it. But like, ayo, if y'all, we're gonna do another dance challenge, right? So y'all give me 300 likes. 300 likes on this video, on this reaction video, and I'm gonna give you guys the Nado Pakuja dance cover of the chorus, of course. You know what I'm saying? I can't do the whole thing now. All right, so y'all go ahead, give me 300 likes if that's what y'all want to see. You already know. Thank you if you do, when you do, you already know. It's been your Jamaican blood, Canadian born Korean enthusiast. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Eat a bar.